Please start from the beginning this page. Allah's Messenger said, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said,
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, no servant says this 3 times in the morning every day and in the evening every night, but that nothing will harm him.
MashaAllah, very big benefit. Little dua and big benefit. Okay, next one. Continue. In the name of Allah.
In the name of Allah, with whose name nothing can be harmed on the earth or in the heavens, for He is the hearing, the knowing.
Yeah, it's reference Sunan Tirmidhi hadith number 3388, and we completed these meanings, and now we will start its dua. Read with me. Bismillahilladhi
Bismillahilladhi
la yadurru
ya la durru
la yadurru.
ya la durru.
Read with me. We will memorize this in this class. Okay. Bismillahilladhi.
Bismillahilladhi.
Yeah. Repeat it sometimes. Bismillahilladhi.
Bismillahilladhi. Bismillahilladhi.
Hilladhi.
Bismillahilladhi. Bismillahilladhi.
Hilladhi. Hilladhi. Bismillahilladhi. Hilladhi.
Bismillahilladhi. 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 Bismillahilladhi.
I send you new page. I send you. Please open it and read this in Roman English. Bismillahilladhi la yadurru.
Bismillahilladhi la yadurru ma'a ismihi shay'in fil ardi wala fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul alim.
Continue.
Bismillahilladhi la yadurru ma'a ismihi shay'in fil ardi wala fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul alim.
Yeah. Continue.
Bismillahilladhi la yadurru ma'a ismihi shay'in fil ardi wala fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. Bismillahilladhi la yadurru مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم.
Please again continue. Good reading, mashallah.
بسم الله الذي لا يضره مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم.
Mm. Nice, mashallah. Okay, it's dua we will continue tomorrow, and now inshallah